Let's open this cat theme journal kit. Inside the box, you'll get 50 pieces card. This is a combination of PVC card and frame card. 60 pieces note paper, 30 pieces per design, 1 A6 grid notebook with cover, 1 roll washi tape, 10 pieces folding note with perforation. You can turn this up to 30 pieces. Let's take a look at each. 3 pieces mini bookmarks, 2 pieces envelopes, 8 sheet stickers, and 15 sheets material papers. For a total of 153 pieces. Overall, this journal kit is perfect for cat lovers. It features the cutest and funniest cat illustrations. My favorite are these PVC cards. It feels premium and such a unique addition. I'll rate it 9 out of 10.